If you'd like to replace your air filter, you're just gonna pull that glove box down. You're gonna come to the right here, you're gonna see this little bar. You're gonna pull that off. Squeeze the glove box inside, that'll pinch. That will drop your glove box down. And now that you've gotten in here, all you're gonna do is, you can see in the front here, there's this little tab here. You're gonna pinch those, pinch them down and then pull forward. And then you're gonna do that to the other side as well. Pinch down, pull forward, and that will release that. And then after you've released those, you're gonna pull this down and slide it out. And now that you've pulled that out, since I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna slide this one back in. It's a little dusty, it needs to be replaced, but there's no serious debris in here. And to put it back in, you're just gonna slide that back in. This actually has an arrow which says up for the filter. Make sure that that's reading the same way. Put that in, and then you're just gonna take this and reset it, and this will just push and seat back into place. Make sure those little tabs are down, and you're good to go. You'll just reinstall your glove box. Put these little hooks back on the back, squeeze that in, and then that little stopper, you'll have to grab that, pull it down, push it over, and you are done.